Why I became an AirNode operator. So I've always wanted to own an AirNode from the very beginning. And when batch one came along, I jumped in right away. I think I actually might have been the first official AirNode operator. Of course, there is the monetary aspect behind it, but honestly, what really drove me was the desire to provide connectivity to people in need. I've seen what kind of opportunities the internet can open up, and I want to help others, especially those without affordable, reliable access, experience the same potential that the internet brings. So the purchase process was smoother than I expected, especially for something so very new offered to the market. I wasn't sure what to expect at first, but everything went really well and smooth for me. Since then, I've participated in a few more batches, and I've seen how the process keeps improving. It is more user-friendly with every drop, which is really good to see. Batch one though was extra special to me, and that was because when I purchased in batch one, I met someone who's now actually a really good friend of mine and my AirNode host up in Reno. So shout out to CB, and I hope that puts a smile on your face when you see this video. And being involved in World Mobile has completely changed how I see value and ownership. It really has reshaped my career path. And honestly, it has made me a better person. I'm now community focused in a way I was never before. I've learned that without the community besides me, I wouldn't be where I am today. World Mobile also shifted me away from centralized systems and helped me embrace a decentralized, community-driven mindset. World Mobile has also taught me that value can be co-created. And since we built together in this, it is a more powerful movement moving forward. Since launching AirNodes in Reno, I've spent some time on the ground there, and I saw firsthand the need for better and more affordable connectivity. I spoke with a lot of the locals when I was up there, especially the Ubers and the Lyft drivers, and it was really clear to me that there wasn't that many great options available, if any. So being able to step in and make a direct impact has been incredibly fulfilling. One of my portal AirNodes is actually on top of a barbershop, and I've heard a few people in the area are already being served with broadband, and that honestly makes me really happy. I plan to go back soon and dive deeper into how this more affordable, more reliable service has impacted their lives. And community is everything to me. And when I wake up every morning, the first thing I literally do is respond to every single DM I get. Every question in my inbox is answered because I understand the value of community. After being involved with World Mobile for like over 3 years now, I've learned that helping others always come back to you, and I really truly believe in paying it forward. I try to onboard new people every single day, and I've made that a mission of mine because I really believe that we can't do this alone. We have to work together, and to make a meaningful impact And to connect the other half of the world that's just still offline, we have to work together on this. As for reinvesting my rewards, it's simple. I just believe in the mission. When I started my e-commerce business 15 years ago, people, I still remember, kind of laughed at me and said I couldn't succeed by selling clothes online. It was super new to them. They couldn't believe it. But I stuck with it, just like I'm sticking with World Mobile. And I'm still doing it very successfully today, by the way. So reinvesting into more AirNodes gives me that same feeling I had back then. Like I'm part of something big from the very beginning. And when you combine opportunity with doing good for the world, it doesn't really get better than that. So if you're sitting on the fence about joining the whitelist and joining the sharing economy, here is my advice to you. And I love this saying: numbers don't lie. Look at the stats and then think about the times you've wanted to make a real difference in this world. And this is your chance. You're giving other people opportunity and earning revenue. It's a no-brainer to me. So this kind of opportunity literally has never existed before. So do not wait and join the sharing economy today. AirNodes, especially remote ownership of them, are going to reshape telecoms from the ground up. And the more decentralized we get, the stronger we will become as a community. And I believe AirNodes also empower individuals and communities to connect while reducing our dependence on centralized infrastructure. And to me, that's honestly the future. So if I had to sum up the future of telecoms in one sentence, that would be: community ownership of AirNodes will drive the future of telecoms by enabling decentralized community-owned networks that are more resilient, inclusive, and innovative. And I guess final words and something I wanted to add about earnings to future builders and operators: keep spreading the word about World Mobile. Keep scanning every single day, because this is the way you will shape the very future of telecoms that is upon us. So our slogan, "Together We're Unstoppable," carries real weight, because without helping and uplifting each other, we won't make it through this journey. To connect the other half of the world is not an easy task, but together, I believe we can do anything. As for numbers, I currently earn around $1,268 per month. And to date, I've earned $13,434 over the past year, which is amazing and crazy. And that's a little over 30% APY for those who love the numbers, which, by the way, don't lie. And that's before USA cell phone plans have even rolled out. So I am very, very happy with the results. And I know these numbers will only grow from here. So with that said, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share my journey as an AirNode operator. And I hope you have learned something from this small interview, and I hope you join the sharing economy today.